Hello, welcome to Art with Mrs. Cohen. Today, we're going to learn about the horizon line. The horizon line is where the sky meets the land. So the very first thing we're going to do is draw a line. Get your green crayon, and you're going to draw a line in the middle of your paper. Now we're going to draw a river. Now, when you look from things far away, they look really tiny. And as you get closer, they get bigger and bigger. So, we're going to draw a slanted line. Touch your green line and draw a slanted line down. Now touch the point of your blue line and draw a slanted down line the other way. This is your river. And as you look at your river, further and further and further away, it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So you can make little water squigglies as the river is moving. Okay? Now we're going to draw a tree. So get your brown crayon out. And we're going to make two big lines right here. One big line, two big lines. And you can even draw, sometimes trees have little knots in them. You can draw some knots, some lines to decorate your tree. And then get the green. And we're going to make our tree full of leaves. So we're just going to make kind of like a boop, boop, bumpy little thing. And you can color that in. We're going to draw another tree, but this time the tree's not going to be close to us. It's going to be far away, so it's going to look really tiny. So get your brown crayon, and on the horizon, close to the horizon line, you're going to make two small lines. You can color that in if you want. And then you're going to get your green crayon again and make your puffy tree. These trees are the same size, really, but this one is far away and this one is near. That's opposite, near and far. Okay, so we have our trees, we have our river. Now what? I think we should make a rainbow. So we're going to get our purple crayon first. And you are going to touch this side of the river and you're going to jump over it. Whoop! Just a little jump. Now you're going to get your blue crayon and you're going to touch right next to the purple crayon and you're going to jump over the purple. Boop! To the other side of the river. Now get your green and touch on the side of the blue and jump over the blue. Boop. Now we need yellow. We're going to touch the green and go boop. Now we need orange. We're going to touch the side of the yellow and jump over the yellow. And now we need red. And we're going to touch the side of the orange and jump over it with the red. Now we have a rainbow. Let's put a sun in our sky because it's a pretty beautiful day out. The sun, we're just going to make a circle. And then you're going to draw lines all around it. Now you can just color your sun in, or you can give your sun some personality. I'm going to give my son a happy face. One eye, two eyes, a nose, and a smile. Now, let's add some other things. Let's draw some grass to fill it in. So I'm going to make some just lines for the grass. And as it gets further and further, it gets tinier and tinier and tinier. And as you get closer, you get bigger and bigger and bigger. And as you get further, you get tinier and tinier and tinier. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Big, 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 tiny, 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 big, 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 big. Because when you're close, it's bigger, and when you're far away, it's tiny. I'm going to add one more thing, a cloud. A cloud is just a bumpy circle. Boop, or a bumpy oval. Boop, 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 boop. Clouds are actually all different shapes, but that's how I like to make my clouds. And there's our picture. What's this word again? Where the sky meets the land? That's the horizon line. See you next time.